How to fix TWINUI error in Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix TWINUI error in Windows 10. 1. Run the following commands as admin: dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health sfc/scanno save your work, and reboot your system. 2. Run the following commands in PowerShell, as admin: get apps package where object $_. Install location like *system apps * for each apps package disable development mode register $_. Install location, appxmanifest.xml save your work, and reboot your system. 3. Create a new account. On your PC. 4. Reset or reinstall your Windows only when you back up your personal stuff.